How to make ChatGPT always respond in a different language. First of all, go ahead and open ChatGPT application on your device. And now we will be creating a personal or custom instruction which our ChatGPT's AI will take and respond in the following manner. So simply tap on these two horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on this profile icon right next to this magnifying glass. Then head to this personalization option. From here, tap on this custom instruction option. I had previously given some instructions, so it was saved over here. Now simply type in new instruction by simply typing always respond to me in specific language name. Now within this bracket, type in your specific language name such as Spanish or even Chinese, American, and once you select it, all you have to do is tap on this tick mark on the top right corner. Now ChatGPT will respond your questions or your prompts in that specific language. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.